Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of adding spaces in Instagram bios. By following these simple steps, you can format your bio text with desired spaces and line breaks. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your phone's Notion app, such as Notes app, Microsoft Word, or Google Keep. Step 2. Compose your bio text with the desired spaces and line breaks by pressing Enter or Return on your keyboard. Step 3. Copy the formatted bio text. Step 4. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Step 5. Tap on your profile picture located in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Step 6. Tap Edit Profile. Step 7. Paste the formatted text into the bio section. Step 8. Save your changes. That's it. You have successfully added spaces in your Instagram bio. Your bio text will now be formatted with the desired spaces and line breaks. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.